Good day, learners, and welcome to class. For today's class, we have basic science. On our science for today, we want to talk about electrical current and how magnets and metals react to electrical currents. Let's make a quick discovery on how electricity and magnets react together. How electricity interacts with magnets and metals. Let's see how they interact. Electricity creates a magnetic field that can attract or repel certain metals. Now, understanding this fascinating relationship will help us to learn about technology, like how train floats and move on track using magnets. Let's look at electromagnetism timeline. That is different years and how electricity actually had to do with magnets, how their reactions are, and everything about their discoveries. Firstly, we start from 1820, which is the first discovery. The first discovery shows us that magnetic effect of electric current. That means when magnets comes in contact with electric current, that means there's an effect. Secondly, in 1831, we have the induction by someone named Faraday. Faraday discovers electromagnetic induction in 1831. Now in 1873, we have Maxwell's equation. Maxwell's equation is unifying electricity and magnetism. It's just trying to tell us how electricity and magnets react together. In 1890, we have AC power. That is alternating current becoming popular. It becomes popular in 1890. In 1930, we have magnetic materials that create advancement in magnetic technology. It helps us to know that there is advancement when it comes to magnetic technology. That means both electricity and magnets can be combined in a way that they can actually even work together. Now let's understand what electric current means. Electric current is the flow of electricity through a conductor. A conductor is just like a wire or a medium through which electricity flows. It powers our devices, like you can connect your phones, your laptop, your TV, your fridges to through the conductors, and it is essential for lighting up our homes. Now let's look at magnetism and metals. That is magnets and metals. Magnets attract certain metals. Do you know that? Like iron and nickel. Nickel, sorry. This property is used in many everyday items, just like in our refrigerators and in our toys. Now let's go to electromagnet creation process. An electromagnet is made by wrapping wire around a metal. When wire is wrapped around a metal, when electricity flows, it creates a strong magnetic field that can actually lift objects. Thank you all for listening. I believe you have learned something today about magnets, metals, and electric currents. Do join the next class for you to learn more on science. Goodbye.